Eleanor Automotive, located in Goulburn, offer quality, affordable servicing. Nick, a fully qualified mechanic with over 25 years experience, works on your car. Not an apprentice, you'll talk directly with the mechanic working on your vehicle, not a service advisor. Guaranteed. At Eleanor Automotive, they stamp your logbook and use genuine parts, ensuring you keep your new car warranty. Plus, they don't use recycled oils, only recommended blends. Eleanor Automotive operates on an appointment-only basis, Monday to Friday, 8 till 5, so bookings are essential on 4822 554.
Hi guys, my name is Nick and I am the owner and operator of Eleanor Automotive, the newly opened workshop in Goulburn, New South Wales. And recording. Today guys, I'd like to demonstrate a particular machine that we have at Eleanor Automotive which will help keep your vehicles running smoother, quieter, performing better and also using less fuel. That's our injector machine, made by the company Launch. It allows us to clean your injectors and test them for optimum performance. So what I'd like to do right now guys is show you the process that's involved in cleaning injectors. I have on my bench over here 8 fuel injectors that have been removed from an E-Series V8 Falcon that we will be cleaning. And I'll run you through the step-by-step process of what's involved to test and clean these injectors today. Thank you. First thing we need to do is remove the seals, the filter baskets and the pintle caps prior to installing it into the flow test bench for testing. Now that the injectors have been dismantled, all the filters, baskets and pintle caps have been removed, we are ready to install it into the flow test bench for testing. I'd like everyone to note the current condition of these injectors. Extremely dirty. The filters that came out of them were in very bad shape. Note the light brown discoloration. Now that the injectors are installed in our test bench, we are able to proceed with a test of the injectors to see how they are performing. They should be spraying at the same rate, a nice clean mist, and continuously, not dribbling either. Note the colour of the fluid after the first ultrasonic bath. There was a lot of debris in the old injectors there guys. Due to the very poor condition of the injectors I'm attempting to rejuvenate, they are going to require an extra round of ultrasonic bathing. I will provide a video of what the spray pattern looks like after the second round. Now that the injectors have had multiple ultrasonic bath cycles, we run the injectors through an actual test to test their performance after cleaning. This will determine the performance of the injectors after cleaning and make sure that their injector spray pattern is clean, clear, decisive and also even with the rest of the injectors. Keep in mind that the injectors on the right, the 4 injectors on the right, are different injectors to the injectors on the left, and these injectors are actually old ones that I've had lying around for a very long time. And you will see a noticeable difference since they have been cleaned. There are still a couple that are dribbling on the left-hand side, as you can see. However, there's a definite notable improvement in the actual injection quantity and performance. Once the injectors have been cleaned, all seals, pintle cap covers, O-rings and spacers are replaced with brand new via our seal kit, which effectively makes your injectors operate as if they were new again. Thanks very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you've all learned something out there about how we properly maintain injectors, clean them, and keep them in service for very long periods of time. If you'd like to send us a message and discuss anything, feel free to do so in the comments below, or you can give us a call on 4822 2554. I'm Nick from Eleanor Automotive. Thanks for watching.
Eleanor Automotive, located in Goulburn, offer quality, affordable servicing. Nick, a fully qualified mechanic with over 25 years experience, works on your car. Not an apprentice, you'll talk directly with the mechanic working on your vehicle, not a service advisor. Guaranteed. At Eleanor Automotive, they stamp your logbook and use genuine parts, ensuring you keep your new car warranty. Plus, they don't use recycled oils, only recommended blends. Eleanor Automotive operates on an appointment-only basis, Monday to Friday, 8 till 5, so bookings are essential on 4822 555.